How to raise support tickets on app. Stuck at something and need help with LocoNav app? Don't worry, our LocoNav Cares team will get you moving. To raise a support ticket, you must first have a wired GPS tracker, or OBD device installed in your vehicle. Let's log into LocoNav Fleet and Asset Management System. And get started. Tap on More from the top navigation menu. And select Support from the menu. A dashboard with all existing support tickets will appear, along with the current status of the ticket. Tap on Create Ticket. You can find it at the bottom of your screen. Give a title to your support ticket. For example, I am calling mine Device Offline. Select the issue category and subcategory for your support ticket. Next, give a detailed description of the problem or issue you're facing with your device or app. Now select the vehicle in which your device is installed. Add images of the issue you're facing. These can be device image, app screenshots, etc. While these are optional fields, giving these details will help the LocoNav Cares team to provide you a faster resolution. Tap on Create Ticket and your support ticket will be raised. This way you can raise as many support tickets as you like and our LocoNav Cares team will get back with a rapid resolution. To learn more about LocoNav's fleet and asset management system, write to us at support@loconav.com.